The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Bomb! Yo! Yo! Jano! Yo! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone, and I want to say something very quick and fast and a little bit short right about now about this video footage that has been put on social media. And it is said that this video footage shows of a crocodile that has been caught on video, you see me I say, at a place that is known as Portmore, that is in Portmore, St. Catherine. You get what I'm saying to you? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, this is not the first time crocodile has been spotted within Jamaica, and this is not the first video footage that shows of a crocodile being caught on camera or on video recording of a crocodile in Jamaica. You see me? Now viewers and subscribers, bear in mind that I am not saying that what has been said behind this whole video footage or video clip that it is not true. I am not saying that it is not true. However, I am more like questioning it because sometimes some things have been posted on social media where people are saying that a place, something happened at a place, and at the end of the day, when you really and truly check the background of the video footage, it is not from that place. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? So I am not saying that it is not true. However, I am saying half and half, right? So for the benefit of the doubt, I'm saying that yes, this video footage says that it is from Jamaica, but however, is it really and truly true? You understand me? And it is too short. In my point of view, it is too short, and the person with me hearing at the background of the video, I haven't heard the person said a real Jamaican word out of his mouth for myself. You get what I'm saying to you? So again, I am not saying that this is not true, but at the same time, certain proof has not been brought out of it. And I want to say, please be very careful because crocodile is very dangerous. You know what I'm saying to you? Like, anyone that sees a crocodile should call animal control. Don't try to attempt to pet nor try to capture anything. Don't do that. They are very dangerous, and if in any case, if you hurt the animal, you can end up going to jail for it because it is somewhat of a crime to hurt animals. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so don't try to get in the way of a crocodile if you see a crocodile. You know what I mean? It's a dangerous animal. You see, I'm saying it again. Alright? Yeah. Well, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Alright? So a video footage has been posted on social media that says that a crocodile has been spotted in Portmore, that is Portmore, St. Catherine of Jamaica. Alright? And you don't know me that life, you know what to think about this whole thing, about the video footage. Is it true or is it not true? Just let me know what you think about something like this. Alright? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?